in bariatrics, we do have a few rules. I shouldn't say rules, they are guidelines to really help transition to this new pattern of eating and new eating habits. So we encourage no added sugars, and but something sweet and something creamy or warm is welcome. So I'm thinking, what do you have for us that would be within those guidelines and it will also be entertaining and nutritious?
Sure. So something I like to put together if I'm in the mood for something sweet at the end of the day is I will put a banana with a little bit of peanut butter and a little chocolate, and we microwave it so that it's warm and the banana gets pretty mushy and the chocolate melts and the peanut butter gets a little soupy, and it's kind of like a molten-y cake type of idea. So I have here it's a pretty ripe banana. If the banana is still green, it's not going to get as mushy in the microwave. So you want it to be pretty ripe, and we're going to put about half of a normal sized banana in this little ramekin here. And you want to make sure that you have a peanut butter that's all natural, right? So that it doesn't have, added corn syrup or vegetable oil or anything in it. I like Smucker's or Teddy. Either of those options is great. It's just usually peanuts and salt. And you're gonna take about a tablespoon of peanut butter and just, dollop it over the top, really. And then this is the key. So you need a chocolate bar that doesn't have added sugar, right? But you want that flavor of chocolate. So Ghirardelli actually makes, and Lindt also makes one too, that you'll find in the baking aisle. They're 100% cocoa. And so there's no additives, it's just chocolate. And if you just ate it by itself, it's gonna be a little bit bitter. But the banana, the sweetness of the ripe banana and the saltiness of the peanut butter really help enhance the flavor of the chocolate. You're just gonna take one square of that and lay it down over the top. So you have sort of this little, cute, this little thing here. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And depending on the power of your microwave, I guess somewhere between 15 and 30 seconds, but we're gonna do 20 here and see if it's all melted, and then you can just sort of swirl it all together. Go for it. What other kinds of things do you guys eat for dessert, Vivian?
I'm sorry, Maggie, what did you say?
What other kinds of things do you guys eat for desserts?
Oh, I do.
Or do you suggest?
Yes, so now with fire pits outside, we wrap a banana actually in the aluminum foil.
Okay.
And once that the fire is actually out, you just have that heat, put the banana there and it cooks, and it's almost like you're saying, you have that sweetness. It's a cooked banana that it just tastes like candy.
Oh wow.
Have you tried that?
No, I haven't.
In Brazil, it's very common.
Oh. That'd probably be great, like with a little cinnamon on it.
Yes, we put cinnamon. Yes, and apples. So with apples, sometimes what I do too is I put a little bit of like coconut oil around the apple, and I just take the core, put a little bit of cinnamon on top, and bake it, and that it comes out as just a little treat as well.
Okay, so I actually did have to do a little bit more time, but I'm gonna show you over here that everything is melting in there, and we're just gonna use a spoon and stir it around, and then you have yourself a delightful little treat, but be careful because if it's really hot, you're gonna burn your mouth, right?
That's exactly how the banana comes out on the fire pit as well.
Should I show the viewers now all mushed together?
Yes.
Okay. I think it's not gonna be too hot for my hands. So then you end up with this. It's sort of like a little pudding type consistency. Oh, it's sort of like bread pudding. Yeah. Don't burn your mouth, please.
All right. Okay. This did really reminded me a little bit of a s'more almost, just a healthier. Wow, this is incredible.
Yeah, and you got some produce, right? You got some protein, and you had a little kick from the pure chocolate without any extra sugar.
It is fantastic. Yes, you cannot taste that bitterness of the cocoa with the banana. Absolutely, yes. All right. right.